Hi kiddos, we are back with Cinderella stories. This time again it's a never-heard story, Cinderella and the Magical Feather. Story explains a bit about the importance of saving trees, saving our forest, nature, and of course a lot of drawings. That was a beautiful evening. Cinderella was just enjoying the nature. A golden shiny feather flew down from the sky. Cinderella tried to grab it. The feather whispered, "Help us, Cinderella. Save our place." Kind-hearted Cinderella, without having a second thought, followed the magical feather. The magical feather led to an enchanted forest. The more she progressed into the forest became darker and darker, thanks to the pumpkin lanterns which ignited and showed her the way. The mouse friends tried to stop her.
"Hey, Cinderella, you should never follow a mysterious feather. See now, we are in this deep forest,"
Cinderella replied. The magical feather is in desperate need of our help. Helping the needy comes first, other than anything else in this world, I believe.
"Oh my God, nobody can change you. I'm hungry. Will I get anything to eat at least?"
The mouse cried.
"Squeak, squeak! What do you want, little mouse?"
A cute bunny asked fondly.
"You give me a fright, Mr. Bunny."
"Ha ha! Welcome!
Squeak, squeak! Cinderella, my friend's pumpkin lanterns. You can have the last carrot I have. Squeak, squeak!"
The little rabbit offered the last carrot he had. "Thanks for the hospitality. I just followed the magical feather. It just asked for help," Cinderella added.
"Oh yes! Squeak, squeak! Cinderella, this forest is getting destroyed on a daily basis. We have really less food now. Darkness surrounded everywhere. Even forest fire destroys us. Squeak, squeak!"
"That's so sad. This forest is known for its enchanted nature beauty. With rich flora and fauna, what happened to it?" Cinderella asked. While she was seeking reason, there was a snowflake.
That must be from Elsa,"
Little Rabbit added. "Elsa? Elsa's here?" Cinderella applauded with happiness. Elsa and Cinderella met each other. "It's so nice to meet you," Elsa added. "I'm so happy to meet you too, Queen Elsa. By the way, what made you come here?" Cinderella asked Elsa. This wild forest fire fumes. It asked me for help. I extinguished it with my icy powers." "Oh, even I was asked for help by this mysterious magical feather. This forest is getting destroyed on a daily basis. Look at the beauty of this forest. I can't take this," Cinderella almost cried. "Oh dear, Cinderella, do not worry. We will find a solution for this. For that, we definitely need to find the reason behind it." Meanwhile, the little bunny,
"Wow, these pumpkin lanterns are so cool. They remind me of sunshine. I really miss sunshine. There is no sunshine at all."
Elsa wondered why there is no sunshine. It's a beautiful thick forest. For any tree to grow, it requires sunshine, sunlight. Why it's not there? "This doesn't sound normal to me," Cinderella added. "I believe this must be a black spell." The mouse friend added.
In that case, we have only one person who can solve this."
"Yes, it's Fairy Godmother. Fairy Godmother is the only person can help and provide a solution for any kind of black spell." With a single hail of Cinderella, Godmother appeared. After carefully analyzing, Godmother understood the entire forest is possessed by Shadow Witch. Shadow Witch never allowed sunlight into the forest. Shadow Witch had the evil plans to absorb the magical powers of the golden trees. Why did she even come? Cinderella asked. Godmother replied, Shadow Witch did not come by itself. It was sent by your stepmother and stepsisters. It was their evil plan. It was to help the evil sister of your stepmother to gain magical powers of this magical forest. Upon hearing this, Cinderella felt so disheartened. Can we please stop this? This is so unacceptable. It's the forest. Forest, it's completely needed for the livelihood of mankind. How come anybody could be so cruel to destroy this forest? Cinderella screamed. No worries, my dear Cinderella. If you're having your godmother by your side, no problems can withstand. With her magical stick, a single biggity boo. A ray of light penetrated the body of Shadow Witch, through which sunshine entered the forest, making the forest glitter, shine, shimmer like ever before. Bright shining sun's rays made the Shadow Witch disappear, vanish forever and ever. Cinderella and Elsa felt so happy, so do the animals, birds, all the creatures of the forest. Elsa gave a tight hug to Cinderella and she thanked Cinderella for saving the forest, saving all the creatures of the forest. Cinderella and Elsa became good friends since then. Cinderella rushed back to the palace. She explained everything to the prince. The prince felt so happy to have Cinderella back. I feel so relieved now. I'm so happy to see you back. Your stepmother and stepsisters told that you have gone forever. Oh, not just that. They are the ones who sent the Shadow Witch to the forest and tried destroying forest. This time I'll never forgive them. They'll definitely pay for what they just did. She ordered the royal soldiers of the royal kingdom to forbid the stepmother and stepsisters forever and ever. The brave act of Cinderella was highly appreciated by the kingdom. Thereafter, Cinderella, the prince, all the people of the kingdom lived happily ever after. Hope you kids love this story. The message of the story is to save forest. In the story, there is a shadow witch which tried to destroy the forest. In our society, we do have lots of shadow witches. It is our responsibility to stop any kind of witch destroying our best friend tree, forest. Stop deforestation. Let me explain you with my drawings. Hi dear friends, this is me, your best friend tree. I provide you shadow. I provide you food. I clean the air, give you the oxygen which you require. I store underground water. I'm your best friend. Play with me. Have my delicious fruits, but don't cut trees. Plant a tree. Plant a hope for your future. Stop deforestation. Thank you. And that's the strongest valuable message from our best friend tree. It is our responsibility to save trees, to save forests, to save this environment, to save this planet for our future generation. Thanks a lot for listening to this video. Please subscribe, share, like and comment. Spread this video as much as possible. The remaining part of this video is for my art-loving friends, art-loving kids. Drawing is not just a hobby. It makes you happy. It is a stress buster. With that message, I'm finishing this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye kids.